Hello and welcome to another update video about FET, FETCH.AI. So this is one of the coins that certainly doesn't need another low. It came down, created a nice WXY structure. In this wave 2, it could be finished here. It could have finished here with its last low. I can count an A, B, C structure in the Y wave as complete. We were waiting for another low. That lower low happened. It hit the trend line. It's still in the corrective channel overall, yeah. Taking context into consideration, and I need to change the date on here. Taking context into consideration, it would be good if it eventually gets obviously a break out of this trend channel. I think if we get up here, there will be quite a bit of resistance, yeah, at this trend channel, which I can extend a little bit. It's a parallel corrective price channel. Yeah, we need to break out to have a strong confirmation the correction is over. But at the moment, we can already count a corrective pattern to the downside complete. That means we need to be watching for a potential reversal. It's too early to say a reversal is already happening, but if it happens, it's a good point to start there. We've pulled down deep into support. Yeah, we are also in the quite low in the Fibonacci support area. We already came down to 22 cents roughly, below 17.5 cents. Further upside is becoming increasingly unlikely. I think by that point then, if we break below the 17.5 cent level, new lows below the November lows will become increasingly likely, actually very likely. And until then though, we can be focused on the upside, carefully of course. All altcoins are risky and they have a strong temperament. They change their opinion very quickly as well. So very volatile. Let me just change here the background. But what is important to understand is that obviously here this could have bottomed. Yeah, we're exploring currently if this is some kind of a leading diagonal because it's not an impulse. It looks at least like a diagonal. But then again, you know, structures here on the, let's say the 1 hour charts in not high volume altcoins are always a bit choppy. So this could be a wave 1. The wave 2 to the downside is what we need to be watching out for. At the moment, I have no indication it has topped. I'm going to update here support, key support if it pulls back. Yeah, and if this is a wave 2, it should hold 23.2 cents. A break below that will likely lead to new lows. Yeah, and that means then the correction isn't finished and we will have support again at the descending trend line and that 17.5 cent level. But as long as we're holding support in the orange box here, we can expect a third wave rally to the upside. I also have to tell you, I have no indication that wave 1 has topped, so this can still push higher. But if we draw a trend line, this certainly has broken now. So yeah, it could have topped, but to get some more evidence here on the lower time frame, it would be nice to see a break below the 25.6 cent level. Then it could very well come down into this area. But that's, you know, that's really like the micro level here. You start to see already bearish divergences here on those lower time frames. On the 1 hour here, that could tell you that, okay, maybe this top is in and we're heading down lower. That move down, by the way, could have started already in a wave 2. So what we're eventually looking for is here an ABC correction, A wave, B wave, C wave. And then it's all about, okay, can this hold? Yeah. This is just an idea how this could unfold, but this is going to give us proof or additional evidence that a bottom has been made. And then if we hold support in this area there, we could rally in a third wave. And yeah, that gives us additional evidence that the overall correction is over, and then we can just track that impulse to the upside. Okay, that's my update about FETCH.AI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.